Ever found yourself mulling over the stress and complications of a traditional divorce process? The endless back and forth, the bitter disputes, the draining emotional toll? It doesn't have to be this way. Picture a peaceful, dignified resolution. An end not marked by bitterness, but by understanding and mutual respect. That's where Gina Lee comes in. Hear it from those who've walked this path before. Gina Lee was a beacon of light during one of the darkest periods of my life, says one client. She made the process of divorce less daunting, more manageable, another client adds. Her compassion and understanding were the balm I needed, expresses a thankful former client. Now let's delve into Gina's services. Gina Lee is a licensed attorney and divorce with dignity provider serving Marin and Sonoma counties, California. She's not just about legal procedures. She's about facilitating a peaceful, amicable divorce. Gina doesn't just provide assistance, she provides tools that empower clients to make educated decisions, to determine what's best for themselves and their families. Her goal? To help clients find a safe place, to navigate through the divorce process, and to leave broken, unhappy relationships in a dignified, amicable manner. Gina's specialties include amicable divorce, divorce planning and facilitation, negotiation, online mediation, spousal support, child support, parenting plans, marital settlement agreements, prenuptial agreements, postnuptial agreements, estate planning, and cohabitation agreements. With Gina Lee, the court doesn't decide your fate. You and your partner do. And the best part? You won't even have to step foot in a courtroom if you can come to an agreement. So say goodbye to the stress of traditional divorce. Embrace the possibility of a peaceful resolution. Ready to take the next step? Click the link in the description to schedule your free discovery session with Gina Lee. Because you deserve a divorce with dignity.